This video will show you on how to use demo account in Tradingview. So first is you should need to connect to paper trading. Open Tradingview app or web, go to a chart, then open the trading panel, bottom of the chart, which you can see it right here or here. I think this is a bit customized. Now select paper trading by Tradingview and click connect. You now have a virtual account with fake money to trade. Placing trades is on the chart. You can right click or price level or use the order panel on the right side desktop or bottom if you're in the mobile. Choose buy or sell. Enter the quantity, number of shares, contracts, set order type, if it is market or limit or stop. Then confirm your trade. Managing your positions, adjusting account settings, and using tools with paper trading. Apply, apply indicators like alerts and drawing tools to develop and test strategies. You can simulate trades based on technical analysis and see results instantly.